Hey fourth graders, today is chapter 14, lesson 9. I can classify quadrilaterals using their attributes. We already talked about attributes of triangles, the lengths of the sides, and the types of angles. Now we're going to be talking about quadrilaterals. I know I've got it when I get a 4 or a 5 on the quick check. Have any of you ever heard of people calling something a quad? It's like a big, you can go off-roading or something. They're kind of fun to drive around. And they have 4 wheels. So quad, let me lift this up a little bit more. Quad means 4. This is our quad squad and where everything is going to kind of land. So a quadrilateral has to have 4 sides and it has to have 4 angles. Okay? And within that, we can have parallelograms, rhombus, triangles, lots of different things. So let's work on classifying a couple of these guys. Okay. A trapezoid. So let's check that out. Does it fit here in the 4 sides, 4 angles? Yep, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides, 4 angles, absolutely. But the next one in the black, parallelogram club, does it have 2 pairs of parallel sides? The top and the bottom are parallel, but the sides are not parallel. So the trapezoid is going to sit out. He is our outsider. So let's draw a trapezoid. So it is a quadrilateral, but not a parallelogram. Okay. Let's check out a rhombus. Rhombus. Okay. Does it have 4 sides and 4 angles? Sorry, my cat's really loud. Yes, absolutely it does. Okay, so it fits in the quad squad. Does it have 2 pairs of parallel sides? 1, 2. Absolutely, it can join the parallelogram club. But can we go even further? Yes, this one's called the rhombus club, kind of a giveaway. 4 equal sides. This side is the exact same length as this side, and the exact same length as that side, and the exact same length as that side. So that's what a rhombus is. I'm going to draw a slightly different one in here. I'm sorry if these are not... Ooh, that's not how I want to do it. Okay. Rhombuses are really hard to draw, guys. Okay. Eek. Okay, so we have 4 sides, 4 angles. Yep. 2 pairs of parallel sides. This one and this one. This one and this one. Okay, 4 equal sides. I did my best. I tried to make them totally equal. Yeah. Can you see how it's a little bit different than our vocab card, but it still fits. It's still a rhombus. Not every rhombus has to look exactly the same. It just has to have the 4 equal sides, all of them parallel. Okay? Okay. And a parallelogram. Right here, we've got a parallelogram. So it can join the quad squad because it has 4 sides and 4 angles. Okay? And it can join the parallelogram club because it has 2 pairs of parallel sides. But that's where it stops because it cannot join the rhombus club. It does not have 4 equal sides. These sides are shorter than these sides, right? You can see that. So it is not a rhombus. It just gets to hang out in here. It is not a rectangle because it doesn't have 4 right angles. None of these are right angles. Okay, so it's just going to be in here. Let's draw one. Okay, there's one. All right, next one. A rectangle. So a rectangle can join the quad squad because it has 4 sides and 4 angles. Absolutely. Can it join the parallelogram club? Does it have 2 pairs of parallel sides? If you said yes, you're right. It can absolutely join the parallelogram club. Welcome. Can it join the rhombus club? Does it have 4 equal sides? Oof. No, it does not. The top and the bottom are way longer than the sides, so it is not a part of the rhombus club. Can it join the rectangle club? Yes, that's its name. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 right angles. Nope. Can also. Lots of different ways you can draw rectangles, as you guys know. Okay, here's our last one, and then I'm going to give you some bonus ones, okay? Here's our last one, a square. Okay, can a square join the quad squad? Does it have 4 sides and 4 angles? I see 4 sides, I see 4 angles, absolutely. Let's join. But can it get into the exclusive parallelogram club? Does it have 2 pairs of parallel sides? Yes, top and bottom are parallel, side and side are parallel. Okay, it can join the parallelogram club. Can it join the rhombus club? Does it have 4 equal sides? Is this side, this side, this side, and this side all the same length? Yeah, they are. Okay, so it can join the rhombus club. But wait, there's more. Can it also join the rectangle club? Does it have 4 right angles? Yes, it does. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4 right angles. You guys, this square is all of the things. It's pretty incredible. Okay, so let's draw it right. You were probably wondering why I had these overlapping, weren't you? A square is all of them. So those are the ones that you need to know for 4th grade. But because you guys are awesome, I'm going to give you a couple extras. Let's do... What's that look like? It's kind of a kite, right? And then we can have an irregular quadrilateral. Ooh, that would be something that has 4 sides and 4 angles, like I'm going to redraw that. Look at that, 4 sides and 4 angles, but it's got an inverted part. It is an irregular quadrilateral, okay? But those are just kind of for funsies. They don't fit this, they don't have parallel sides, right? The kites ones, they're close, but they are not parallel. Okay, those are your quadrilaterals. Let's do a tiny bit more practice with them because there's a lot going on there. Goodbye. Sorry if I made you dizzy there. Okay, we need to identify these with as many different ways as possible. So how many of the different clubs can they join? And do they have their own name within that? So, I will. Okay, this one. Is it a quadrilateral? Does it have 4 sides and 4 angles? Yes. Okay, and within that, can it join the parallelogram club? Does it have 2 pairs of parallel sides? Absolutely. So it's a quadrilateral and a parallelogram. Can we go any further? Does it fit into a rectangle or rhombus? It doesn't. That's where it's done. Okay. This guy. Can it join the quad squad? Yep, it's got 4 sides and 4 angles. So it is a quadrilateral. And next, we're going to ask, can it get more specific? Can it join the parallelogram club? Does it have two pairs of parallel sides? Nope. So, going back to this, it is a trapezoid. It looks a lot different than this, doesn't it? But it's still a trapezoid. Okay, here. Is it a quadrilateral? Yes. These all are. Okay. Is it a parallelogram? Does it have two pairs of parallel sides? This. Yep. Okay, to get even more specific, what do we normally call this guy? A rectangle. It's in the quad squad, it's in the parallelogram club, and the rectangle club. Okay, so they can be called all of these things. Some of them are more specific. This is the most specific name for this guy. This is the most specific name for this guy, and this is the most specific name for this guy. Okay? So here we're going to write out the most specific name, the best fit for each shape. Here. What is this? You know this one, that's a rectangle. What is this one? Guess what? It's just like this one. Can you see how it's just backwards? It's a trapezoid. Okay, and this one, square. All right, there is your lesson for today. Go ahead and take your check. Your goal is to get a 4 or a 5. Please be asking questions, rewatching the videos, or anything else if you need it. I will post a picture of the quad squad so that you can be looking at it while you're working on things as well. Have a great day, 4th graders.